This is another class about computing, and today we are to learn about how to learn how to use a computer. How to learn. How do you learn? How do you become a good student of computer, and how do you benefit from a computer? So all those ones are obtained through learning. So how do you learn computing? How do you learn computing? Number one is that for you to learn computing or to learn about computers, number one thing is that you need to visit a local library, for example, internet cafes, for example, someone with a computer, for example, companies that teach about computing, for example, you visit someone, for example, if you go to someone who knows about computer, he will give you a laptop or a computer, then you start learning about how to use a computer. And then the next thing is for you to learn what we call computers, to learn about computing, is that you have to enroll, you have to take additional classes. So after having a computer, after seeing a computer, after being given this computer device, then you have to have in mind, what am I going to use this computer for? For example, that is why I'm saying that you enroll for a course. For example, Microsoft Word. Next, Microsoft Excel application programs. Then another thing is that after having those things, then you have to be having what we call specific target. What is your target? That is your set goal or your class or your course. Then from there, you will need to have what we call typing classes. After having the course, then you start learning through typing. Then the next one is internet access, for you to know how to maneuver and work around with internet. So if you get those two things, my dear friend, you will be good a student, you will be a good student who is learning computing. Then another thing is that you will need now, after having these two things, to buy your own computer. You will need your own computer. So after buying your own computer, you will put so much practice. You will bring in too much practice for the other two that I talked above. The one which is visiting, the other one meaning that you will no longer go to internet cafes, to what local libraries. Then the other one which is for typing, it means now you have to put much emphasis, much practice on what you have learned, because now you've bought your personal computer. Then the next thing is that use assisting technology, assisting technology. For example, you may be having a laptop, but now you find that its touchpad is not working very well. The touchpad, meaning the other side where that controls the cursor movement, or what we normally call the mouse. So the touchpad of the laptop, you may find that it's not working correctly. So you will need to buy a new an external mouse. So those assisting technologies will help you to learn more about computing. Then the last one is that set attainable goals. Set goals that are going to be reached. Set small targets. Say, in this week, I have to make sure that I learn how to type, save, and another thing, know how to print. So if you learn these three things in a week, then that will be a good target. Then in the second week, I want to learn, for example, how to edit what I have typed, how to highlight, how to do this and this and this and this. So you set those small targets which are going to help you learn more about computing. I know, my friend, if you continue following me, if you continue subscribing on this channel, my friend, you are going to learn more about computing. I love computing, my dear friend, and I know you too. If you follow me, you will do love computing. Thank you so much for watching all my YouTube videos. Thank you so much.